Okay, so today is Friday. Let's see here. Friday the 17th. So we're in here and we got safety off, right? We got some of this here all tore out, but it's in here. We're in the plastic area. We're covered. See here, there's hard hats on the floor. There's this that needs to be up and away. So now we got this. This is our barrier area. We're going to be putting in tonight. We're going to be setting in plywood over the trenches. Here's our signage. Caution. Okay. This is our fencing area. We're all the way to the top. Control dust. Okay. So there we go. Hey Nate, did you unplug that cord?
It was never plugged in.
Okay.
Yeah, I think Fail was the fucking Edward always tried to sell me something, work out something. You know, like that stuff. But he doesn't try to sell me like what kind of flooring is that you're putting in, carpet, tile. So